Now find the equation of a straight line which passes through 2 comma 2 root 3 and is inclined with the x axis at an angle of 75 degree. Now given x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 2 root 3 and slope m is equal to tan 75 degree. Now first step is m is equal to tan 75 degree, m is equal to tan. Now to 75 degree we can find it by using the formula. Okay. Now this is equal to tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree. Now we have used tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. One thing, and now values for tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree it is 1 and tan 30 degree it is 1 upon square root of 3. So we are using these values. Now m is equal to 1 plus 1 upon square root of 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon square root of 3. Now this becomes root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now on rationalization, m is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Is it clear? So m is equal to now root 3 plus 1 whole square upon square of root 3 minus square of 1. Now on solving this becomes 2 plus root 3. Is it clear? So we are having slope as 2 plus root 3. Therefore m is equal to 2 plus root 3. Equation of straight line using point slope form y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We are having y minus y1 is what? 2 square root of 3 is equal to m is 2 plus root 3 with x minus 2. x1 is 2. Okay. So this we can write it now. Y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 with x minus 4 minus 2 root 3. 2 plus root 3 with x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Required equation. This has